Well, it is Saturday and I am in the office going to see some clients in a few minutes here in Morristown, New Jersey. We realize that a lot of our calls and clients do come in on the weekends, and that's why we make ourselves available by phone and sometimes in person 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In my private practice, I've represented people at all hours of the night, and obviously on the weekends, if a client needs to see us, we make ourselves available. So that's what we're doing this afternoon. And it is hot. It is a Saturday. We realize that people are traveling in and out of New Jersey into Pennsylvania, headed to the shore and other areas like the Poconos. And it's always important to keep in mind, if you are traveling between states and you are stopped by police, to remain calm, be polite, but don't give the police officer consent to search your vehicle or your personal belongings or your luggage. The officer obviously can stop you. He can ask your license and registration, but your cooperation should stop there. There's no need to engage in any type of legal argument with the officer. Just simply tell him very politely that you're not going to give consent to search your vehicle. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, do not refuse the blood or breathalyzer test. That will not help your criminal case and only make the case more difficult for your attorney to argue if and when the case does go to trial. With regards to firearms, I've written a lot of blogs and done videos on the possession of a firearm in the state of New Jersey. Remember, it's not impossible to get a permit to carry in New Jersey, but it is very, very difficult. New Jersey does not have reciprocity with Pennsylvania or any state. So if you are carrying a gun into the Garden State from out of Pennsylvania, you are breaking the law in New Jersey. Unlawful possession can, under the Graves Act, carry with it a mandatory minimum 42-month state prison sentence. Remember, your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. If you are traveling simply through the Garden State, keep the gun separate from the ammunition in a gun box, and that's the way you travel with it. It should not be under your seat or in your glove box. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos. We came out with our weekly e-update this past Friday. You can sign up for it at the website, gambonelaw.com. That e-update goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is a great resource. It rounds up all of our latest content, all of our latest blog articles, our latest videos, and it's a great resource to have. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I'm going to be putting out some new blogs this week in a different area than criminal defense. It should be very exciting for our law firm to dive into this area. We've always advised clients on the area that we'll be blogging on, but it'd be interesting to see the content that we'll be putting out in the area of premises liability, specifically focused on the fitness industry. It's an industry where we have a lot of clients. We've discussed issues with clients in that industry, and a lot of the blogs we'll be coming out with. We'll be talking about facility liability, especially now with the post-COVID era, hopefully also liability of personal trainers and their clients, what your facility can do to minimize liability, especially now, things like waivers, assumption of risk, all that we will dive deep into for our clients and their families. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you all soon.